So Gautam asked the question, what is the scope of data science engineering in ZOHO in our upcoming years, sir?
Data science, yes, plays a vital role in the last couple of years, and definitely in ZOHO as well as in many organizations. Every organization, ஏன்னா இன்னைக்கு வாழ்க்கையில டேட்டா அப்படின்றது plays a vital important role in every artist. For example, during this pandemic situation, during this hard times, every industry want to look on, want to measure, right? In terms of productivity, in terms of how we were able to grow as an organization, what we have done this week, this month, or maybe if we want to review May month, our performance of our employees and so on, right? Automation or anything you call it, friend. So data science, data analytics is one of the prime career opportunity for anybody in the next near future. It's been trending in the last couple of years, and definitely after COVID as well, it'll speed up.
The video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for latest video updates.